Probability, Sambhavyata. The book on games of chance was written by J. Cardan. It is the first book on probability. The first definition of probability was given by Perry Simon Laplace in 1795. సంభావ్యతను మొట్టమొదటిసారిగా 1795లో పియర్ సిమ్సన్ లాప్లెస్ నిర్వచించాడు. ది బుక్ ఆన్ గేమ్స్ ఆఫ్ ఛాన్స్ పుస్తకాన్ని జే కార్డన్ వ్రాయడం ద్వారా సంభావ్యత ఒక శాస్త్రమైనది. టుడే ఐ ఆమ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయినింగ్ సమ్ డెఫినేషన్స్. ఫస్ట్ వన్, ర్యాండమ్ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్, యాదృచ్ఛిక ప్రయోగం. సెకండ్ వన్, శాంపుల్ స్పేస్, శాంపుల్ ఆవరణము లేదా ప్రతిరూప ఆవరణము. ఇఫ్ టాసింగ్ ఏ కాయిన్, ఒక నాణ్యాన్ని ఎగరవేసినప్పుడు నాణ్యానికి హెడ్, టెయిల్, బొమ్మ, అచ్చు రెండు ఉంటాయి. మనం దీన్ని టాస్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏమొచ్చే అవకాశం ఉంది? హెడ్ లేదా టెయిల్. అండ్ సెకండ్ వన్, టేక్ ఎ డైస్. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ డైస్. Dice has 6 faces, 6 equal faces. It is the shape of cube. Every cube is a dice. On the face, points are there, some dots are there. In this face, 1 dot is there, and this face, 2 dots is there, and this face, 3 dots is there, and this one 4 dots, 5 and 6. If rolling a die, it is rolling a die. On the top face, 6 is appears. Another time. Now 4 dots on the top face. Rolling a die, we get 1 on top face, or 2 on top face, 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 maybe appear on the top face. These are the outcomes. When rolling a die, we get the outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. If tossing a coin, we get head or tail. These are called outcomes. We know the all outcomes of these experiments. If tossing a coin, we get head or tail. If rolling a die, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. We know all outcomes of the experiment. But if tossing a coin, we cannot predict exact outcome what appears on the top face. It may be head or tail. We know the all outcomes of the experiment, but we cannot predict the exact outcome when tossing a coin or rolling a die, or take a card, a shuffled deck of cards. Take one card. Here 52 cards are there. We get any one on the card. We know all outcomes, but we cannot predict. This type of outcomes, this type of experiments are called random experiments. ఒక ప్రయోగం చేసినప్పుడు ప్రయోగ ఫలితాలు అన్నీ తెలిసినప్పటికీ ప్రయోగం చేసే ముందుగా ఖచ్చితంగా ఏ ఫలితం వస్తుందో చెప్పడానికి వీలు కాదు. ఇటువంటి ప్రయోగాలను యాదృచ్ఛిక ప్రయోగము అంటారు. We know the all outcomes of an experiment, but we cannot predict an exact outcome before conducting the experiment in advance. This type of experiments are called random experiments. ప్రయోగ ఫలితాలు అన్నీ ప్రయోగానికి ముందే తెలిసి ఖచ్చితంగా ఫలానా ఫలితం వస్తుంది అని నిర్ణయించలేని ప్రయోగాలను యాదృచ్ఛిక ప్రయోగాలు అంటారు. If tossing a coin, we get head or tail. If rolling a die, we get 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 on the top face. If we select a card from the deck of 52 cards, we get any one of the cards. In the first one, tossing a coin, the outcomes are head or tail. And second one, rolling a die, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as outcomes. The set of all outcomes of the random experiment is called sample space. Sample space. Set of all outcomes. If tossing a coin, H, T. It is the set of all outcomes of tossing a coin. It is called sample space of tossing a coin. Sample space is denoted by S. S is equal to head, H, tail, T. S equal to H, T. It is the sample space when tossing a coin. And second one, rolling a die. We get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 on the top face. Set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It is the sample space in the random experiment rolling a die. Similarly, select a card from deck of cards. Sample space S equal to, here 52 chances are there, 52 elements are there. 52 elements are there. It is the sample space when select a card from deck of cards. If two coins are tossed, first coin one head, second coin also head. It is the full outcome. Head, head. If two coins are tossed, we get head and head. And second outcome, first one head and second one tail. It is another outcome. It may be first one is tail and second one is head. It is third outcome. It may be both are tail. This is the fourth outcome. The set of all outcomes is called sample space. When two coins are tossed, the sample space S equal to H, H, head, head, HT or TH or TT. And fourth one, rolling two dice. At a time. Then sample space S equal to, on the first die, 1 appears and second die also 1. 1, 1. If first die 1 and second one is 2. 1, 2. It is the second outcome. Similarly, first die 1, the second die 3. 1, 3. 1, 4. 1, 5. 1, 6. If first die on the top face 1, second eye on the top face 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. The top face of first eye 1, top face of second eye 2. Top face of first eye is 1, top face of second eye 3. Similarly 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Also the top face of first eye is 1, 2 and second eye is 1. 2, 1. Both are 2. First eye 2, second eye 3. Similarly 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Similarly 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. This is the sample space when rolling 2 days at a time. Set of all outcomes of a random experiment is called sample space of the experiment. యాదృచ్ఛిక ప్రయోగం యొక్క అన్ని పర్యవసానాల సమితిని ఆ ప్రయోగం యొక్క శాంపుల్ ఆవరణము లేదా ప్రతిరూప ఆవరణము అంటారు.